Okay, I got the target. Coming down. Requesting the clearance fires. Over.
The AH-64 Apache strikes fear into the hearts of adversaries.
Clear fire. Pause the gun and fire. 2, 1, fire. 3 is... They're gone, sir. We're out of here.
A devastating aircraft by day, night, or in adverse weather, the attack helicopter is the best in the world at what it does. In June, while Apache crews flew combat missions in Afghanistan, participated in exercises in South Korea, and trained in the new AH-64D, the Apache reached a pinnacle milestone, surpassing 3.5 million flight hours. Highly maneuverable, heavily armed, and deeply dependable, the combat-proven Apache helicopter, deployed around the world, provides customers exactly what they need to accomplish their missions.
It's a great aircraft, and there's nothing I'd rather fly while I was in combat than this aircraft. We've had multiple aircraft and crews get shot at, get hit, and it's always taken us back.
In 1983, the then Hughes Helicopter Company unveiled the very first Apache. 28 years later, Boeing introduced the AH-64D Block III Apache to the U.S. Army, adding 26 new technologies enhancing the aircraft's capabilities. Another day, another mission, and crews of the AH-64D Apaches will always be ready in peacekeeping missions or combat zones.